Hello friends, today we will show you how to create unlimited Gmail account without phone number. First of all, you need Google Chrome browser. Okay, in a Google Chrome, you go to the Gmail option, click on here. After that, I have some account, but I want to create one more account. Use another account. If you don't have, just click on create account. Okay, I have account, so that's why I use another account. I want to create another account. Then you click create account. First name John Van Dan. Then fake date of birth, gender, then you click any of them. Okay, after that you give your password, then next, and you can use recovery email, but I don't use this one, so skip. You click on skip, then next, then I agree. Okay, so you create your own email address without phone verification. I think it is cool. So if you need unlimited Gmail account like this, you can use this method. I hope it is helpful for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.